Hey, Shani Miller here, and today is Tuesday. Happy winter solstice! Yay! My name is Shani Miller, and I am a cleaning business strategist, and I teach others how to build up the back ends of their cleaning businesses instead of being run over by their businesses. And I just wanted to come out here and remind you that today would be the last day, or you could slam it home tomorrow. Tomorrow the videos are due. So if you're going to do a self-promoting video with you in it or your employees for your company, please submit them by tomorrow. That would be 12/22 of 21. And the person's going to win a prize. Yay! Super duper exciting about that. It got a couple messages, so we'll see if you guys come through and champion them or not. Well, I'm all waiting. So you guys all saw my silly video with the red gloves, right? So that is just a friendly reminder. Second is the price increases. If you have not done price increases or are struggling with the price increase piece, please private message me, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through. That is important that you give a price increase to your clients. It should be done at least annually. If you've never done a price increase, please private message me so that we can show you how to do that the right way and you don't lose a bunch of clients all at once. It's a no-no. So that's really cool as well. And I wanted to talk a little bit about post-construction cleaning. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately. Post-construction cleaning happens a lot when the economy is booming because people are having homes built. But typically, we've done 1,800 of them. And that's basically a vacuum, a wet wipe, and a dry. That's basically post-construction cleaning. That's what it amounts to. So lots of vacuuming, lots of wet wiping, lots of drying, and then repeating that process until you get it up. Some people are questioning what prices are. I've seen everything from 35 cents to 50 cents. I can tell you that I get 50 cents a square foot every day, all day long. I've done 1,800 of them. So those are single home prices. If you're asked by a larger company or a builder who's doing like apartments, typically there's a rough, a clean, and then a polish. And that price is usually 50 cents to 75 cents for the rough. A cleaning is usually 50 cents to 35 cents, and then a polish is usually 20 to 25 cents. So I hope that breaks down any confusion that we might have had over price, because that's super important. And then obviously you want to research your market. I see a lot of people just posting randomly. They end up getting this job and then they have no idea what to even charge. It hasn't been discussed, which scares me because that means you're leaving yourself open for the probability of someone taking advantage of you, and you don't want that. You want to get paid for all of your hard work. So if you guys have any questions, please be sure to hit me up. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Anyway, we're getting close to Christmas and I'm getting excited. Are you guys getting excited? It's all tiptoeing to the end. Well, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Take care.